I booked one of those VIP tables in excess. And I just gave it to some homeless people. Well, that's what I do. Charity case. Polka tournament. Now right now the beach club is going off. I just came from there. I'm soaking wet. I won some of the contest in there. I'm not going to brag about it. But I can tell you that I was the one trophy that I won was oldest person in here. I beat that by like 95 years. The previous record by Hugh Hefner was 60 years. So I don't think anyone's going to beat my record. Got his girlfriend with him. Well, actually, that's his boyfriend. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Well, there is, but that's what I'm supposed to say. My lawyer said that. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so here's the sports book, and they have nobody. I got distracted. He got nobody manning the kiosk. I got big money on that Arizona game. If they could score another touchdown, basically I'd be set for life. Well, I'll be set for today and tomorrow. If they don't, and they just keep the score like it is, I'll be set for today. I'll be able to eat. Oh shit. The other team, New Mexico's gonna score. Oh man. That sucks. For me. Not for you. You're probably rooting against me. I know how you are. You know, this is not a great sports book, but really it's never crowded. So it's kind of like a decent sports book. Especially if you're betting on your phone. You don't really need a attendant at the kiosk. Let's take a look at the big dog slot machines. They're in here. I just scanned my card to get in here. You can't get in here. Only big shots. $500, $200, $100. So $500. I thought they had a $1,000 machine. I really couldn't get to it because those people, I think, were going to get their panties in a wad. Girls rudely cut in front of me. Young girls don't have any manners these days. Oh, look, now they've stopped. Well, where are they going to go now? I'm going to report them. Now this down here is the line to the, I lost my train of thought. Okay, here we go again. This is Casa Playa. Yeah, Playa. First you got to get your picture taken. Put your leg up like a flamingo. So this is the line for the nightclub, day club. That turns into the nightclub. Yeah. Well, at least they're letting them stay in the air conditioning. So this is a poker room. This poker room is serving the Wynn also. Not just, where are we? Encore. That's a good haircut. Bonbon shop. And everybody get a bonbon.
shopping at the bar first.
50. Everything's big tonight. Wynn and Encore. Same minimums. You better bring a lot of money. Well, you're going to need it for this anyway. I wore that same bathing suit yesterday in here. Well, don't at me. I don't know, when did that statement drop the come at me? It's at me. Don't at me. I did not wish for those, well, I did wish for them to be in there, but I did not give them a ride. I did not put them in there. I did not tell them what to wear.
I want to know why.
It's IRL. I can't control it. Some videos have zero girls in it.
Oh my gosh, it's yours? So many sequels.
Some, like this one, have, oh my God, 99%. Ludicrous. for August on a Saturday night, the business is really picking up. Ooh, my Resorts World last night video, when you see that, oh boy. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of big mad people. Oh, it's all my fault. I bought 200 buses and booked and bussed in models. Ooh, almost got killed. And it would have been poetic. Anyway, I bussed in those 200 buses with models and to Resorts World. And I did the same tonight at Wynn and Encore, and that's how I make these videos. So, complain to the bus company. They shouldn't have allowed me to do that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's it for Encore.